Measuring liquid pressure, the manometer. Class 8th, Chapter 11, topic. A manometer is a simple device and it is used to measure liquid pressure. Children, for measuring liquid pressure, the device used is manometer. It has a U-shaped glass tube which is fixed to a wooden board having a scale. Means U-shaped glass tube is fixed to the wooden board and this board have a scale. The U-tube is filled with colored water such that its limbs are half filled. One end of the U-tube is open. The other end is fixed to a rubber tube, which in turn is connected to a thistle funnel. And this improvised apparatus is called manometer. Children, now you are seeing a pic of manometer. You can see it has U-shaped glass tube. And this tube is fixed on the wooden board and this board has a scale. The one end of the tube it is open but the other end is connected to the rubber tube and the rubber tube is connected to a thistle funnel. So this apparatus is manometer. Now take this apparatus means manometer and cover the mouth of thistle funnel with a tight thin rubber sheath which you can take from a balloon. You can take a balloon sheet. If you press the rubber sheet lightly with your finger, the pressure on it increases. Due to this, the water level in limb A will go down and in limb B will go up. You can read the difference in water levels on the scale. So this is a measure of pressure exerted on the rubber sheath. Dip the funnel of a manometer in water taken in a beaker or a bucket to a depth of 10 centimeter. To the depth of 10 centimeter. Now you will see that the level of water in limb A of the U-tube falls down and limb B it rises up. Note the difference in water levels of limb A and B. So this difference gives the pressure of liquid at that depth. Measuring liquid pressure in different direction at the same depth. Now keeping the funnel at the same level, change the direction of mouth of funnel to sideways as shown in the figure. The rise in level of water in U-tube remains the same. This shows that liquid pressure does not change. This proves that at the same depth, a liquid exerts equal pressure in all directions. Children, in the figure B, you can note when we change the direction of mouth of funnel to sideways, to the right hand side or to the left hand side, it means we are changing the direction. But this, the liquid pressure, this remains the same. So this proves that at the same depth, a liquid exerts equal pressure in all directions. Now increase the depth to which the funnel is exerted to 15 centimeter and then to 20 centimeter as shown in the figure C. Does the pressure increase with the increases in depth? So this proves that liquid pressure increases with depth. We will observe that liquid pressure increases with depth. Children, notice the walls of the dam. They are especially thickened and broadened at the base than at the top. This is done to withstand the huge pressure of water.